Welcome to another episode of Arctic Wolf Zoom Diaries, where we take time to catch up with our pack members. This Hispanic Heritage Month, we're talking with some members of the Lobos, Latino and Hispanic Pack Unity Alliance here at Arctic Wolf. Thanks for taking the call. Tell us about your Pack Unity Alliance and the focus.
I'm a part of the Lobos, so the Hispanic and Latino Pack Unity Alliance, and our focus is really aiming to try to bring awareness to the diversity of the Hispanic and Latino community within our wolf pack, and also be able to share the Hispanic and Latino culture with all our pack members in a very experiential way.
What are you most proud of as a member of the Latino and Hispanic Pack Unity Alliance?
I am really proud of being part of this alliance and working at Arctic Wolf, because I remember when I first came to the US, I came at such a young age, at 15, and I had to face many challenges as learning a new language, a new culture. Also, the education system is different. So being here at Arctic Wolf and being part of this alliance to also help others and increase the awareness of our challenges and our culture, and still having that culture, it makes me really proud to be able to be here and also feel the support of everyone here at Arctic Wolf.
I'm proud of the heritage. Basically, we're trying to reach everybody, not just Latinos. We're trying to make sure everybody's actually able to understand what do we do, what can we offer to not only Arctic Wolf, but the community as well. We are here to provide advocacy and provide mentorship for existing and future Latinos and Hispanic professionals.
What inspires you to participate within Pack Unity?
My inspiration to lead is being able to help others, being able to provide a safe and inclusive space where people can share their experiences and have the support they need.
I think what really helps inspire me to lead within Pack Unity is just being able to set a positive example for others, whether that is taking initiative to drive on certain goals, campaigns, or just simply lead by example in the day-to-day. It all motivates me to be the best Pack Unity wolf I can be, but also being able to, inspire others to, look at different backgrounds, different ethnicities, and really be open to, other things that are not unlike them.
What's one word that you would use to describe how it feels to be a part of the pack?
The word I describe being part of the pack is teamwork. I believe we're one big family right here. We all work great as a team.
Together, what do you believe that the pack can accomplish?
Together as a pack, we will be role models, inspire others, and celebrate ourselves.
Together, I believe the pack will continue to grow.
Thanks to the members of the Lobos Pack Unity Alliance, and thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about joining Arctic Wolf, you can visit arcticwolf.com/careers or click on the link in the bio below. And who knows, you might be next to join the pack.